The bail granted to the accused or respondent number 2, by the order dated 20/06/2024 by the learned session judge Lower Subansiri, is hereby stands cancelled. And the accused respondent number 2 is hereby directed to surrender before the learned session judge within 15 days from the date of this order. However, the accused respondent number 2 shall be at liberty to file fresh application for bail, which may be considered and disposed of by the learned session judge after passing a reasonable order.
Item 2, for orders, IS Civil 56 of 25.
এইটো তেওঁলোকক কিবা ইনফৰ্ম কৰিছে নেকি? আৰু আছে নেকি এতিয়া? এইটো তেওঁলোক লিখে। এইটো তেওঁলোক নহ'লে ডিছকানেক্ট কৰক, কিবা এটা কৰিব লাগিব। মানে we have to inform the Itanagar bench, one matter is there. If time permits, it can be taken up after the money disposal of this list. During this, because at 2 we have another bench, DB bench, matter with Justice Chaudhary. So সেই ইনফরমেশনটা আপনি থ্রু কিভাবে দিও, এটি আমি ডিসকানেক্ট করে দিও নয় জানো আমি করে দিই। Somehow it has to be informed to the Itanagar bench.
Item 11, criminal revision petition 89 of 2013. For judgment.
This is no. We can't bench this one forward. Criminal revision petition. This revision petition stands allowed, and the judgment and order dated 29/9/2012 was by learned additional CGM Dhemaji in GR case number so and so, and the order judgment and order dated 2012 was by the learned session judge. Here is hereby stands set aside.
Item 12, criminal petition 1269 of 2022.
The petition stands dismissed. Stands dismissed.
Published.
13, criminal revision petition 554 of 23.
We have not interfered the order passed by the learned appellate court directing the petitioner to pay 50% of the monthly maintenance allowance, and the appellate court will also determine the status of the respondent number 1 and her entitlement to the maintenance. The petition stands dismissed.
14, criminal petition 1343 of 23.
The present petition, criminal petition stands dismissed.
15, criminal petition 1294 of 24.
We do not find any justification to quash the order dated 13/9/2024. Or the investigation report submitted by the IO along with a supervisory note. Hence, the present petition seeking quashing of the said order in the report stands dismissed.
Prayer for adjournment if any.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I take to mention item number 6, Lordship. Lordship, may authority is meted for a week, Lordship.
6.
6, yes.
Why? What is the reason behind?
Lordship, some difficulties.
Yes, some difficulty. With the consent of the other side, the learning counsel for the petitioner paid for an adjournment stating that due to some personal inconvenience, he is not in a position to take up the matter. List the matter accordingly when it can be. List accordingly after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. So item number 3, Lordship, in this matter we have filed an additional affidavit to bring on record the earlier rejection order, Lordship. The affidavit is not on record. Can it be on this Friday, Lordship? In the meantime, we'll check,
Friday.
Lordship.
Friday, what is date?
6.
6, okay.
Lordship. Obliged.
May I please? I'm bringing for listing of case for bail hearing on first day, Lordship. Because this
Make a
bail-
mention before court number 11.
Lordship, it's this bill application was earlier considered by your Lordship and.
Make a application, mention before court number 11, it may be presented before us. only.
Lordship, the matter was listed on yesterday, Lordship. Court directed to list the matter appropriate bench, but date is not fixed, Lordship.
So you then approach it a registry. Why there should not be this kind of thing? Approach the registry because we are not just sitting the regular bench. That's why we cannot pass any order in that kind. Make an approach before the registry. Why this has happened? Because in other matters, some 2-3 matters also this kind of things are happening. In spite of the notification,
Yes,
specific
yes.
notification, the registry doing same thing.
Yes.
So we have already consulted with the registry, so that should not be done. Okay, you got it.
Item 1,
May I please, Lordship? Yes, Lordship, this is POXO case, Lordship. I don't notice maybe issue to the informant.
Hey, why it is listed before us? Question না বুঝি পাওয়া নাই মোটামুটি। তো একটা special bench লই আছে। Earlier it was disposed of by this court? No,
No, Lordship.
কথা হয়েছে বুঝতে Maybe কিনো আসেনি ইয়ার same FIR. সেটা evidence.
Same rejected.
Hmm?
Same rejected is possible.
For your petitioner earlier, any bail petition was rejected by this court?
Lordship, earlier I filed an anticipated bail application which was rejected.
was
by the
rejected.
court. Yes,
Now it is a BA.
yes, Lordship, yeah.
Issue notice করবে। You made the informant as a respondent?
Yes,
but-
Lord.
Okay, we are issuing notice.
Yes,
Take steps within 2-3 days
yes.
through
Lordship,
to-
register post, Lordship.
register post me, no, not in register post. It had to be
Lordship,
to take steps through the jurisdictional police station that has to be routed to the office of the registry and the public prosecutor.
Yes.
So you submit
Yes.
your petition before the registry and registry will definitely be given to the public prosecutor for onward transmission.
Lordship, that may be given, Lordship, specific there.
We are calling for the case diary also.
Yes, Lordship.
CDB call for Goidibo. Yes, when it can be
23-6.
23/6.
Lordship, I think it is, okay.
It will be late,
Yes,
18.
actually,
18/6.
yes, Lordship. Obliged.
For bail hearing, item 2,
Please, Lordship, we could not file our objection, Lordship. So, Lordship, more further time to file our objection, Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, this court might remember that at the last occasion they had mentioned in it and we had raised a strong objections and the court has also stated that this may be the last this time, Ravi, because this case was filed in the month of July to the 2024 and till now objection has not even been paid.
Then
Your-
obviously, if July 2024, it is almost 9 months, 10 months.
Lordship,
And your lordship on the last occasion on 29/4 actually, like on.
Yes, order was passed.
This order
Yes.
was passed and
Mm.
it was scheduled to be heard on 22nd of May, but the registry, however, I mean, it had been misplaced or sometime, so it has came.
No, it is 22nd May. I was in Kohima, in fact.
Oh,
That's why it was not
that's
put
what.
up.
Anyway, Your Honor, but the thing is that he has been in jail for the 11 months, and in between this time also, we had filed one IA also. We have came to know that the 47 section 1 has not yet been done. Actually, I have given the proof.
Okay,
also.
then when you just tell us, because he is rightly submitted, it is from the July 2024, the case is pending. So that should not be in fact
Lordship,
Monday.
Monday. Also, Lordship, LCR may be called, LCR has been
No,
noticed.
whatever, you file your objection first.
Sure.
LCR was earlier called for, I think. LCR was not called for. Not been received. দুটা করো, considering the submission made by MS Kakoti, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of standing counsel and CB. The matter is fixed on Monday. Monday is which date? 9/6/2025. Giving the last chance to the respondent side to file their written objection, if any. Further, the registry is hereby directed to issue reminder and to issue reminder for the scan copy of the trial case record. Full stop. Registry will do the needful list accordingly on 9/6/2020. Oh, the listing.
I know, bless Lordship.
Plus,
4 and 5.
Maybe. My lord, my senior, he is on live in court of 14 actually. So can it be posted after some time? Just praying for little accommodation.
I
my
don't know,
senior-
after some time, if the election matter is heard, then, because
Oh,
from
okay.
2, we have a division bench. In fact.
I don't think it will take much time, my lord. Maybe around.
Okay, let
10
us
minutes.
we see, we will see.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Oh. Standing.
7.
But in this case, notice was issued, probably notice is, my learned friend has served the notice. I don't think, my lord, the
I'm appealing
informant is,
You are appealing for the informant?
I'm appealing for the state.
is appearing
As
for
a
the
special
statement.
PP. I have
You are for
already-
the state.
Yeah, I have already served the notice upon the informant, as per the notification dated 17/2024 of the Guwahati.
Huh.
So this may kindly be kept on record.
And your lordship.
No, do you have any instruction regarding the service of notice, whether it has already been served or
Yes, it has already been served.
already been served?
Already been served. The knowledge are already been served. That is
Okay.
why in compliance of the earlier Guwahati High Court notification, I have served a copy to
Okay,
the informant through the IO of this.
yes.
Jurisdiction of PS. That may
Then
kindly
do one thing, we'll
Yes, your
appoint an
lordship may-
amicus today
yes.
itself.
Yes,
yes.
And otherwise, we have received the, it is a
LCR.
charge sheeted case?
Charge sheeted.
Charge sheeted. Yes, record. Records we have already
Yes.
received.
Thought that may be fixed, my lord,
Sure.
appointing an.
Okay. Heard Mr. J. Pine, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard, you are Mr.
J. Hassan.
J. A. Hassan, the special public prosecutor for the state respondent. And it is submitted by Mr. Hassan that the notice has already been served on the respondent number 2. However, no one has represented the respondent number 2, and accordingly, this court finds that an amicus may be appointed to represent the respondent number 2. A Fukan kan. আমি কাবাক দিছো নহয় আগতে। A Fukan পাইনি। Accordingly, Mr. A Fukan is hereby appointed as an amicus to represent the respond number 2. Registry will do the needful in this regard. List the matter accordingly. 11, 12, fine, 11, 6.
I think
11, 6 or 13,
Come upon 28, 20,
20.
20.
Okay, Payan, 20.
It, because my lord, already he is more than for about 3 years, my lord. Your lord.
Who is in
Yes.
custody?
Yes, my lord.
He is
By the way, what is the status of the case at present? How many witnesses examined?
26 evidence.
Pardon?
It is at the stage of evidence. 27 witnesses have been examined.
26 minutes. Another 50, more than 50 is left, my lord.
No,
Oh.
we will try to prune the witnesses because so far the evidence, best part of the evidence is if it comes on record, definitely we'll try to prune the list of witnesses.
So as your lordship.
Then okay, then to 20?
28, no issue.
Oh,
Highly obliged.
20.
Okay.
Item 8,
Sir, item 8, we have received the CD. This little voluminous one I could not go through today. Can it be tomorrow or day after?
Tomorrow will not be listed.
Pardon?
No,
Tomorrow-
different ways it will be listed because it is not rejected by my
Tomorrow-
lordship.
It will not be listed.
Or day after
It will
tomorrow.
not be listed. Mane, বুঝা নাই।
I don't know.
Why it will not be listed?
Because the tomorrow list already published.
No,
Oh,
supplementary.
you are saying that only. Oh.
Supplementary.
Then let
list
it be on day after tomorrow, ki Friday, not Thursday. Thursday, I think. Thursday, 6, 5. Okay, then 5, 6, we are listing it on at the request made by the learned additional PP, Mr. Kaushik. Let the matter be listed accordingly on 6, 6. Oh, sorry, 5, 6. Okay, listing it on 5, 6.
Interim order is there.
Interim was there.
Yes.
Interim be extended till next date of listing.
item 9,
Is 9. On the last occasion also, none appears on call, in fact. Thereafter, Mr. FKR Ahmed was there. Okay, one more chance may be given. None appears on call for the petition. I heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned addition PK appearing on behalf of state respondent. Hey, you have received the case diary this time? Updated case diary has already been received. This matter accordingly 11/6 so and so. Retain the case diary till next date of listing. If on that day they remain absent, then it will be disposed.
item 10,
Should we have received the case diary?
Case diary is received, no?
Also for the petition steps.
None appears on call for the petition. However, it is submitted by MS SH Bora, the learned edition PP, that case diary has already been received. List the matter. 12 is a holiday. 12 is a holiday.
Yes. No, it's open.
Open.
It's Thursday.
Thursday, 12/6/2025. Till then, CD be retained. We are retaining the CD 12/6. On that
Yes.
day, if they remain absent, then it will be disposed.
Lordship.
16 of the public list,
Lordship, of course. 16, no?
On last occasion, I had filed one additional affidavit yesterday.
It has already come.
Yes.
Anthony,
Is there?
affidavit was filed by him. Affidavit to Anthony. Yeah. Okay, now he bought it.
The solicitor.
Scan copy you have not received.
For lordship, perhaps that has not been.
As per office note, it has not been received.
Earlier in the earlier occasion, it was called for. That is not.
So your additional affidavit is with the record now, it already tagged. Yes, what to say?
Lordship, without the case scan copy of DCR, can be difficult, lordship.
It is a case of NDPS, charge sheeted?
Lordship.
This honorable court has already, this is the second time before this honorable court.
Okay.
What is happening, your lordship, this honorable court already covered for the consideration of the case without FSL report in that relevant point of time. And I approached before this honorable court to the trial court, thereafter the court has, after being considered, rejected my mayor on the ground of FSL. Now,
Your bill petition was rejected by the trial court due to non-receipt of the FSL report.
and no, FSL has been reported and
Ah.
thereafter it has been found that they have found that it is not a sufficient ground for to grant bail.
Okay, then.
So because it has been considered. Now, I approach before this honorable court with an FSL report. Now that FSL report does not specify the contents where the involvement is there. That means one, there is a capsule that is called the tramadol. It is a
Tramadol, huh?
tramadol. Now the contents of that tramadol in the FSL report is a assumption that there is a content, but there is no specification around the 4 accused person out
You
of.
have annexed the FSL here.
Yes, I have it. So my humble submission, there is nothing left. It may be lordship may be permitted to go on bail. Otherwise, my lordship own judgment, Rihan Kumar has been there actually annexed in the main petition. No notice, no service of notice, no ground of arrest having there in the main petition, which I have already been mentioned, and my lordship own judgment passed on this page your petition numbers, lordship permit me. 72 of the original main petition. Similar to the case, my lordship has passed an order on page 73, Rihan Kumar of 2025 SSC SCI as well as Prabi Pukasta. It has been beautifully explained, and my lordship has already pinpointed the case, the judgment. And in that case also, I have been squarely covered that there is no service of notice, nothing has been done. Just assumption they have, while in the field, they arrest me. So thereafter.
You have annexed the certificate copy, any certificate copy of
Yes.
those notices or whatever?
It is there, it is there. It is there, yeah, next, still I feel that this is the original record. It may be placed on record if lordship permit me. If lordship permit me, then definitely I will participate in the trial proceeding. And moreover, your the FSL report also, the report which comes in a presumption manner. And that is that judgments which have been already covered.
No, the tablets, tramadol, they have not examined those things?
Lordship,
What is the contents in the
No, no, no.
tramadol tablet?
the FSL, this is only the report, only that, if lordship permit me, page 53, the result of examination of the additional affidavit. May I read your lordship? Result of examination, page 53 of my additional affidavit, your lordship. Page, your lordship,
52.
53.
Hmm.
Result of examination, based on color test, thin layer chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography and gas chromatography, mass spectrometry techniques, presence of tramadol was confirmed. But there is no confirmed whether it will come in a commercial quantity or it in a smaller quantity. There is no specification. Even it has been taken as a commercial quantity also, it can be segregated into 4. I have a 4 accused person, and now which specification it has been done, that has not been prescribed.
Is there any 29?
29C,
29 is there?
29,
Section 29 whether is there?
29 of ND page. That is
Then
there.
29 is there, then it's okay.
29 is there, sir, 22.
Then conspiracy.
So my humble submission is that since the Supreme Court has already granted this
petition that Rihan Kumar and Sumit Purkastor. On the basis of that ground, Your Lordship, we had a very small, just attaining the age of teenage. One chance may be given to Your Lordship as a informative measure.
Take it to DB to Higgs. But he might run the DB.
Now this is 16th and 4 and 5 time.
4 and 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, we say, I'm trying to reassess, but I'm getting reassess. It will die. Yes, Bora.
Yes, Lordship, I have got the exception in this regard because it's a commercial quantity first of all. When part of section 37 will come into play. And Lordship, and moreover, Lordship, my learned friend has also pointed out that ground of arrest is not properly, there is non-compliance of section 47 of the NSS. To that regard, Lordship, I'd like to refer 3 judgments of this honorable court. Lordship,
Coordinate bench.
coordinate fences. Lordship, may I place those judgments before the Lordship? That is bail application 1621/2025. One, and one is bail application 1448/2025. And one bail application 2656/2024. Lordship, in respect of bail application 1621/2025, Lordship, I would like to refer the paragraph 7, 10, 11, 12, 13,
This
15,
is just a
16.
second, in item, in reference to,
Bail application 1621,
1621,
2025.
1621, para,
Paragraph Lordship 7,
7,
10,
10,
11, 12,
11,
13, 15, 16, and more precisely 18.
15, 16, more precisely 18.
Because Lordship, once the arrested person put the endorsement on the arrest memo, Lordship, it's transferred a step that he has knowledge regarding the ground of arrest, Lordship. To that context, I have given the judgment. And Raikor of section 37 is also squarely covered by this case. And in bail application number 1448/2025 also, paragraph 18 is more relevant.
144,
1448,
1448, para 18.
para 18 will be more precise, Lordship.
So basically in those paras, what is emphasized? Mainly that the
It's a,
signature on the arrest memo.
yes, Lordship. It transpires to see he has knowledge about his ground of arrest, Lordship. That transpires. And other way, well, Lordship, section 37, NDPS said, there's a Raikor, Lordship. It's a commercial quantity.
But my, in regard to the sufficient of my learned people, that cannot be ground for me case, in my case. It is a case in front of the school and it may not be, it is a totally man-made by the police investigation. It has been done by police, not by the individual. If it is the case, I don't know, I have not seen, my learned friend is beautifully placed. If it is a case of independent, any person have been affected, then it is a different issue. Then I will stand that I will withdraw my petition. But here in this case,
Independent means I have not.
any persons who have been involved in this case or any persons who have been affected by this arrest memo, or it had been informed that there is something is happened by the any local people, then it is a case of different. But here it is a case where the police himself come in a position.
Lordship, kindly come to
That
page
is my-
56, Lordship. Caesar memo. It is from his conscious position, the contraband has been recovered, Lordship. What else is required, Lordship?
That my learned friend, whatever it is, that is the report I want to say. The FSL report itself is a mere presumption. If Lordship permit me, I want to specify my learned friend. The FSL report which has been mentioned that it has been confirmed by the tramadol. But what is the confirmation? That I want to highlight this
That
judgment.
regard, Lordship, Hira Singh's judgment will cover, Lordship. No specific.
No, that is a harassing judgment.
Sentence is.
That my learned
already
friend has-
decided, and Lordship is already aware of that judgment, Lordship.
If my lordship, my learned friend is beautifully equivalent to this because in these cases, this is a harassing judgment. And on the basis of this harassing judgment, your lordship, there NDPS, the department has been notification. That notification is the, as I have mentioned here, lordship, SO 2943E dated on 18/11/2019, issued under the NDPS Act. There are 4 points which have been mentioned, your lordship. If lordship permit me to say only 4 points. In the present case, the forensic laboratory report merely confirms the presence of tramadol in the seizure capsules but failed to specify the exact quantity of active tramadol per capsule. Next point, Your Lordship, without a specific quantification of active ingredient tramadol per dosage unit, the statutory threshold of commercial quantity is not made. Number third, the omissions rendered of the report incomplete and unreliable for invoking the rigors of section 22C under section 37 of the NDPC. Therefore, the benefit doubt goes to the accused person and the case should be treated as involving either small quantity or intermediate quantity unless proven otherwise through valid forensic reagents. So that is my humble submission. We have presumptive way in a, it can be resident in that case, in another case. But in my case, the judgment which has been placed by my learned friend is not been relied upon, not placed upon me. So my humble submission before this Honorable Court, if it is the exact position of my case, then I would not be come for the second time before this Honorable Court. With the spirit of the first spirit, that's why this Honorable Court has to go for the consideration of this case. But unfortunately, that time we have not procured a certified copy of the FSL report, Your Lordship. So that is the part. And moreover, Your Lordship, now you see the trial proceedings, Your Lordship. 27/3/25 is the production. 10/4 is the supply of the copies. 23/4/2012 supply of the 8/5/2000 production of the accused. Now this is the date, Your Lordship.
When Charles framed,
No, Charles why? Oh, Charles has not been framed.
not yet framed.
Not this.
So that is, it's a very initial stage of trial proceeding, Lordship. I'm vehemently upset. At least
My humble-
because FSL report has clearly stated that it's the contraband articles presence of tramadol was there, Lordship.
But if
That is a banned substance, Lordship. So far as quantity is concerned, that harassing judgment will.
the harassing judgment on the basis of NDPS, I have mentioned, Your Lordship, only that that is my violation of the fundamental rights, Your Lordship. You cannot accuse as a arrest person until unless I will not be specified. The other judgments I have mentioned, Your Lordship. If Lordship permit me, that I have given the two judgments annexed with this. In contravention of my learned friend judgment, what my learned friend has said. Contra Edwin Cresser, State of Goa. That also specifically mentioned, Your Lordship. Then another one judgment is there. I just want to say, in support of my case, that is M. Michael, Intelligence Officer in Narcotics. This is a Supreme Court judgment. I have supported my judgment. Only one point, Your Lordship. I may be allowed to go on bail, Your Lordship. It is coming also, Your Lordship.
Oh,
I am deeply obliged.
it is on 7th. Oh. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm not going to the way. It key connect with
Phone calls, they keep your might take time. You take that for joining. Need to go to order.
That's a day may take their choice. Now Mr. Mojumdar is not here.
And others.
And that is your family. Of here, Mojumdar is not here. To take equally. Their presence is required, in fact.
Yes, that's right. We just call them, we'll connect them. After that, they go. Somebody's in charge.
With your permission, Your Lordship, the FIR, the police FIR, just like a search it. That is my humble.
Detail has been given in the FIR, what harm? Okay. Yes, Mr.
Deeply obliged.
Yes. Mr. Pado, you are hearing? So, most probably Mr. Mojumdar has already submitted his part.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are supposed to file your objection today. I mean, your side, we have to hear your side, na? You are for the
Yes.
respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, today,
Respondent
my
election
lord.
petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent. Yes.
So, my lord, today I am seeking time for the method to be, my lord, kindly hard on 19 because we need some instruction from the election petitioner, but he's unwell now, having some real health related issue, my lord. We have even informed the other side, my lord.
No, other side, Mr. Mujumdar is not here. So have you informed the other side?
Yes, ma'am. Through his junior, we have informed.
Okay then. None appears on call for the petition. However, heard Mr. N. Pada, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent cum election petitioner. Post it is submitted by Mr. Pado that they are yet to receive some instructions from the petitioner, election petitioner, and hence need an adjournment to the effect. In view of this, let the matter be listed. You are listing it, you're trying to, you want it to be listed it on 19th?
Yes, my lord.
Acha, 19th, Mr. Mujumdar is okay on 19th? That we cannot say at this stage. Anyway, we are fixing it on 19th, let us see.
Okay,
We'll
madam.
inform Mr. Mujumdar. Okay, 19.6 go ahead. Okay, we're listing it 19.6.
Obliged, ma'am.
Okay.
4 and 5 time being is this.
4 and 5, I don't know. 4 and 5, sorry, we are not
No, my
going
lord,
to.
my lord, I can make a submission on behalf of my senior because my learned friend just informed me that in person to the order dated 13/5/2025, she was supposed to bring the updated my lord, case diary pertaining to the Central Forensic Lab in Bangalore, which we have sent for further verification of the account, which was in the name of vengeance. Whether this was in the name of the current accused petitioner or it has been
No,
basically.
there are two matters. One is 4 and other is
Yes,
5.
in item number 5, my lord, your lordship can close the matter because that matter they have already submitted and lordship has seen that not looking for case, my lord, wherein the Scheduled Caste Civil Tribe Atrocities Prevention Act has been invoked. They squarely do not cover our cases, my lord, because the allegations which is there in the FIR in.
Just a second.
Yes, my lord.
Now, Ms. Bora, his question is that on item number 5, have to do also name.
Lordship,
Item number 5, there was an issue
Lordship.
regarding the atrocities on scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. That section was also there. Because there was some allegations that the father of one was attempted to, he may be humiliated or something, but otherwise I have reflected in the order.
Yes, ma'am.
There are specific reasons and their order. But that apart, one last chance was given because of this, whether this, the investigating agency in that regard, whether there was any change of the investigating officer. So you were supposed to tell this on this aspect. But otherwise, those aspects were already considered or covered by the earlier order. So do you have anything to say in that regard now? In item number 5.
Right, Lordship, we don't have the case diary right now. Only in respect of item number 4. we have
Item
the-
number 5, we don't have the case diary.
Yes, Lordship.
Then what to do?
Lordship may kindly give us the time so that we can reproduce the same.
Now this is to,
Lordship.
see,
kindly give
we
us
are
the-
extending their interim also.
Lordship.
Since
I think there will be no harm, petitioner still is an interim.
I
Kindly
think
give us a short date, Lordship, so that we can produce this.
27/3, most probably the order was passed on interim.
Lordship.
Thereafter, the other date was there on 28/4 and then again on 13/5.
Yes. 5 updated city was called for Lordship. Fixing today, Lordship.
You have not received.
Not received.
So what do you want to submit in that regard?
my lord, insofar as bill application 1091 is
No, no,
concerned.
come to item number 5 now.
5. 919.
919, tell us about 919.
My lord, 919, my lord, here insofar as. Here, that is the not looking for case, police station case number, my lord, wherein
Yes.
my lord's invocation of section, my lord, Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe was.
That's what I'm saying, that there was some observation in the bail order itself. I have.
Yes, madam,
I
your
know
lordship
that I
also-
have passed the order. So, but thereafter they have submitted that they need some, this FSL, CFSL report
No, my lord.
that.
There is a confusion, if I may just correct my learned friend, only in respect of the item,
Yes.
my lord, that is bill application number 1091 of 2025.
Yes, yes.
They were supposed.
1091 নাই দেখো না আমি।
That is item number 4, Lordship.
4, my lord.
Oh, sorry, item number 4, huh?
So,
In there
Robert,
also.
wait. Insofar as that item number 4 is concerned, they were supposed to clarify by bringing updated forensic report that is from CFSL, because the IO submitted on the last occasion that they have sent it for CFSL to further verify because they don't have the technical know-how to verify this kind of my lord things.
Yes.
So that was the reason why your lordship has given them time only in this bail application 1091 to further update this honorable court pertaining to the status of the report, what happened, and were they able to find out the original operator of this particular account, that is Vengeance. That
Yes.
is what that was the issue before your lordship.
Yes.
So far as that bail application number, my lord, the Kuntu number
5 is concerned.
yes, my lord, then 919 is concerned, they have already submitted, and your lordship has elaborately stated in the interim order that the invocation of Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe, Atrocity Act doesn't even apply to this particular case, because it was, in fact, he has praised the concerned gentleman whom they have alleged to have used some word which has maligned their
Yes,
status, my lord.
that is there, that is there.
This particular application
Now,
9,
now in this case,
Lord.
item number 5,
Lord.
say item number 5, item number 4, I can understand the CFSL report was there.
Lordship.
In item number 5, have you received the case diary now?
No, Lordship.
That is what?
That is on 13/05/2025. Up to date CD was called for.
Huh.
Today is fixed for producing the same.
yes,
Ah, yes.
Not here. The petitioner already perhaps on interim.
I may be an interim, but
No, they are on interim, but now see, this order is of 27/3.
yes, my lord.
Lordship.
That apart, we are extending their interim.
Lordship, it's I think there's might have some miscommunication. Let me verify the matter.
Right.
I'll take care of it. Lordship, kindly give us a 1 week time. I'll produce this.
You are Mr.
Mr. H. Buragohai, my lord.
Heard Mr. H. Buragohai, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. S.H. Bora, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Ms. Bora that due to some miscommunication, they have not received the updated case diary, which was called for on 13/5/2025. Accordingly, she submitted that she need to do some verification and date may and prayed for an adjournment today. Till when it can be done?
Lordship, if your lordship give her permission, both the matters can be taken up on the same day, lordship.
No, so just tell us the date.
Yes,
Apni- no, bro.
13 or 15, 16, no? 16?
My lord, may I just take 1 minute because I have to confirm my senior, my lord.
16?
Paragraph 14. Can it be on 14th, my lord? If not,
It's holiday.
oh, sorry, 17th? No, 17th.
17th.
17, lordship, highly obliged.
Now, what about your number 4, 1091?
Same lordship, up to date case diary along with status report was called for.
No,
That
there was
Hey,
another
don't
thing,
need my lord.
not up to date one, is CFSL
that
report is
that
required.
report is not there. That's why.
CFSL report is not
Not
there.
there, lordship, on 17. lordship.
Add a request corridor 17 corridor, do it as 17/6,
No.
both the matters.
Yes.
Our both the matters would interim be extended till next date of listing, 17/6. Now, say 17/6 should be, there should be a hearing
Lordship.
because case is pending, in fact,
Yes,
both the
because-
matters have been pending.
I'm highly obliged.
Oh, okay.
And I'm praying for extension of in both the cases, my lord, interim.
Extension of interim.
Interim.
Yes, yes, it all already
Oh.
been.
I'm highly obliged.
Oh.
You need the names. Oh, you asked me, okay, just what they are. I can be as long as.